today's shave, nothing better to start the day with a shave. So I'm gonna start shaving with Nantahala from Black Mountain Shaving. For the razor, I'm gonna be using my favorite Lambda Athena with a Accuforge, and I'm gonna be using the TRC 3D printed bowl. Brush, Grizzly Bay. I love Grizzly Bay. G5C knot. Let's give it a go. See. Mix the leather is very easy. Now I need to get used to look at the length and not the screen. But yeah, so hope everybody's doing well. So far I think I'm off. I'm a local truck driver in Florida and nobody has called me yet. I was working day shift last week, so hopefully they can keep it up, because I'm going to sleep at 8 p.m. pretty much right now. So I'm like a chicken. Look at that, looking good, looking good, looking good, looking good. Hopefully the audio is well soon. I don't have any microphone hooked up to the GoPro, so it's internal. I think that's good. Spray the face. So the Super Bowl, you cannot mention it. This is not alive. Anyway, I don't follow sports, but my girlfriend told me that the Super Bowl finals, I think it was last night. So this is supposed to be a pineapple citrus scent. I get a little bit of the pineapple. Let me see. Now the thing is, it's turning off the screen. Yeah. I don't want it to turn off. Whoop. Man down. So how was you guys, your week? How was your weekend, guys? I mainly did yard work. I have an issue with one of my dogs. For some reason she likes to escape, and she's always trying to find a way to escape. I think I got a raccoon instead of a dog. Looking good. So yesterday I was pretty much searching along the fence for every possible way. Luckily, even though she's smart, she's not really that smart, because she showed me where she was, how she was getting out. So I close it. Let me double check for slickness. Yeah. Love this razor. Really smooth. I don't really feel the blade, at least myself. It's very efficient for how mild she is. I'm on the waiting list for the titanium setting for this one. I already have the titanium polish, which was quite expensive. It's the most expensive razor that I own at the moment. Hopefully it stays that way. And I saw that they came out with a satin model for €200 less, so it's pretty cheap. Well, compared to the polished one, so it's pretty cheap. So I've got in the waiting list. I'm probably gonna try and get every every version of the Athena because I love it so much. Don't do it though. The best option for the price is the bronze one, which is the one that I'm using. That's the better value. They are all great, but you don't have to do like I do. You don't have to spend that kind of money on razors. Not even the Athena. It's my favorite, but it doesn't need to be your favorite. But I think it's a really good razor. Now against the grain. You're going here. Good feedback. Yeah. Reason why you love it. I am not applying any pressure. I am just letting the weight do all the work. You pretty much avoid most of the time irritation and rash that way. I still get nicks all in from time to time, but it's nothing serious. These Accuforge blades are pretty sharp. Now the mustache, especially here, is a very sensitive area for me. That's where I most of the time get a nick. Good. Let me double check. Yeah, pretty much got everything except for against the green. Close to the green. No, you don't need to spend that much money on equipment, on gear to start shaving. This ball is like $10. You can find a good synthetic brush for like $15 on TRC. And they have cheap razors too, like maybe Parker, their own TRC razor, aluminum. It's like 30 bucks, something like that. It's pretty cheap. They have it on stainless steel. I have it on stainless steel. And it's like, that one is like 80 bucks. And for a USA made stainless steel razor, that's not bad. That ain't bad. Now around the chin I have to be careful too, because that's another tricky spot. Now, let's maybe reapply here. Here goes the foam part. Cross. I have very loose skin on my neck, so
it's very hard to get all the hairs that grow in this direction. And you have to be really careful with the pressure, because I get irritation easily in this area. But
Take your time.
take it easy and enjoy the shave. This is like a ritual for me. This is the one moment of the day that I can, kind of be in a zen.
Just for me. Forget about the work. Forget about the chaos
In the house. Just enjoy the scent. Kind of work on yourself. Give you time to think about stuff. Little whipper, but nothing to worry about.
Usually I say don't chase BBS, but I'm gonna want to.
Yes, no pressure, like 3 fingers.
This allows for the razor to float
While you're using it around your skin. Kind of helps with the pressure, so prevents for you to apply too much pressure.
Yeah.
Check it out.
Yep, got it. Yep, good enough. Now, wash the face. I like to leave the soap on my face, maybe a little bit of a slush. And dry it out with a microfiber towel. If I want all the good ingredients of the soap to stay on my face, there's a lot of good skin food on this soap, so use it. Let them do their work. The splash, I forgot to show it early. Just a couple of drops. And pretty good. I get the citrus, the pineapple. Oh, like a tropical drink. Very good, very good. That was a good shave. Now, I'm gonna let you guys go. If you're interested in some of the products that I used today, there's gonna be links down below where you can find them. Like the 3D printed bowl, $10, TRC. So, hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.